painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. I am glad you're here. We're going to be doing a painting today. We are working on a 14 by 18 inch canvas, and I'm getting my purple and red on, which I don't do very often, but it's a rainy gray day here, and I thought, let's work with some nice warm colors. I have a good friend who is a purple freak, as long as there's no pink in there. And I thought about her when I came downstairs to my studio, and I'm gonna get my purple on for my buddy. We're working with a new pouring medium today, guys. I tested it out the other day and it did really, really well. We are working with Pebeo Studio Acrylics. They're pouring medium. Pebeo, however you say it from wherever you're at. But this is a nice consistency. It's thinner than Floetrol. About the consistency of GAC 800 or Liquitex pouring medium. Now, our paints today are heavy body, medium body, but they're heavy to me because I usually use fluid paints, and we are 1 part paint, 2 parts pouring medium, and water in every single one of these paints because they were thick, and that's okay. Thick paints are good paints. Thin paints are good paints. Heavy paints are good paints. This right here, yummy color, Liquitex Acrylics, and that's their Prism Violet. This right here is Liquitex Basics. That's their Deep Violet. This right here is Liquitex Basics, and that's their Brilliant Purple. Right here is a yummy color, Treasure Golds by FolkArt Purple Topaz. I don't know why they call it a purple topaz. It's got a little pink in there. Sorry about that, Cheryl. And this right here I got in the mail and have never used it. This is Arteza Bordeaux Red. I believe that is Sarah Mac's favorite red, and if it's good enough for Sarah, it's good enough for me. Our base coat today is, or our flow extender is in this cup, and that is soft body acrylics in the white. So I am going to go ahead and layer my cup, and then we're going to do a ring pour. At least that's what I think it's called. I'm going to pour it out of the cup. We're going to make a big old ring, and then we're going to manipulate it around. Either that or it's a straight pour. I don't know. Somebody tell me. I'm excited, guys. Let's get our purple on. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
flower.